Hi, I'm Natalie, and today I'm excited to share the Essentials Kit with you. As a former early childhood educator, I remember spending evenings and weekends creating materials for my classroom. However, that does not have to be you. The Essential Kit includes materials, the right materials, all in one kit so that you can spend more time engaging and building relationships with the children in your classroom. So if you're looking for materials of high quality, that engage learning experiences throughout the day, that encourage shared writing, as well as enhance investigation and play, look no further. So why don't we take a look at a few of these materials? Let's take a look at the materials that we can use during play. Now, my favorite material is the Replica Microphone. I can just imagine children having fun being their favorite characters, actors or actresses, as they're engaging with one another in the classroom. We also have the shatterproof mirror. We have emotion cards, as well as the wooden geoboard. Remember, all of these materials are also ideal as you are working in small groups with your children and using those intentional teaching experiences. Next, let's take a look at our investigative materials that inspire curiosity, discovery, and connections. This first material is the Tabletop Magnifier. Children can use this to observe objects and get a closer look at what they've collected inside as well as outdoors. Next, we have this beautiful wooden balance scale. Children can use this in order to compare and measure different objects. We also provide a set of expandable sorting hoops. Children can use these to sort materials inside and outside. And finally, we have a class set of clipboards where children can document their learning, their representation, and anything they're doing as they're investigating the world around them every day. Finally, I want to share with you some of the materials from our Bilingual Classroom Set that will help you seamlessly support instruction throughout the day. What I love about these materials is that they are all laminated, so you can use them time and time again. I know that I wish I had these when I was in the classroom. Let's take a closer look at some of the charts, posters, and signs that are in this class set. For example, we have open-ended questions that can help you guide conversations in your classroom. They're in English as well as Spanish. We also have some anchor charts that will help support investigations in the classroom throughout the day, such as the question of the day, what do we want to know and what do we want to find out. In addition, we have the web of investigations. And this was one of my favorite studies, a tree study, where children are documenting their development and learning over time. Not only that, we want to help children as teachers, we want to help them to compare and contrast information. So there's also a Venn diagram in here, as well as a graphing chart. These materials are meant to support the everyday experiences you have in your classrooms. I know that year after year, filling your classroom with materials can be a challenge, and we at Teaching Strategies hope to alleviate that worry with the Essentials Kit. I hope you're as excited about them as I am.